Hi, sir.
Hi,
My name is Shreya,
nice to meet you.
and I am from Team Drone Expo.
Okay,
And I'm here to ask you a few questions about
Okay.
you and your company.
great. Thank you.
So, give me a brief about yourself and your company.
Teledyne FLIR is the division of Teledyne. We're the largest maker of thermal cameras in the world, headquartered in California. We're here in India to find new customers and support our current customers to continue to grow this industry of drone, fire protection, security, defense. Our cameras go into lots of applications in space, land, sea, underwater. Happy to be here.
We are glad to hear that as well. So, what product are you showcasing at Drone Expo 2024?
Well, we have several products here. You can see some of them on display. Some of our most popular new products include this dual sensor, the Hadron, which has a 64 megapixel visible camera and a VGA resolution, 20 millikelvin sensitivity thermal camera with an MTBF of 60 years. Very high quality, very high performance thermal camera. You can also buy the thermal camera separately. It's called Boson. This is called Hadron. Hadron also has a compatibility with Qualcomm RB5 and NVIDIA Xavier Nano Orin for AI applications and autonomous navigation. Boson has lots of interfaces, including USB-C.
So, coming on to the exhibition, sir, did you find the right visitors for your business here?
I did indeed. There were quite a few great conversations I had with new and existing customers. Yes.
We are very happy to hear that. So, about the last questions, are you looking to participate in the next edition of Drone Expo?
Yes, we would like to through our distributor Tesscorn. So we work very closely with a Bangalore company called Tesscorn. We've worked with them for about 10 years now. They've done a fantastic job with the technical support, sales support, and participating in exhibitions like this. You can call them, ask for Deepak. Deepak handles our products. Or you could send an email to us and then we'll get you in touch with them for a product demonstration. And absolutely, we'll be back next year and look forward to it.
We would be happy to have you in Hyderabad as well, sir. So,
Oh, sounds great.
thank you. Sir.
Okay.
Thank you for your
Thank you, Shreya. Okay.
and we wish you a very best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you for hosting us.
Thank you.